What is up, guys? Welcome back to this cryptocurrency video once again, and in this video we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin and KDA to see where these two can potentially go in the near future. Kadena has been dumping, Bitcoin has been dumping, the whole market, as you guys can see on the right side of my screen, has been dumping, and that's because Bitcoin, of course, has been dumping. Bitcoin's king, Bitcoin's a leader, we all know that. If you guys like these videos, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn the notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. Let's have a look at KDA, currently with a market cap of $229 million, trading at $1 once again. Is Kadena a stable coin? What is happening? When is it gonna get out of this region? I mean, in the meanwhile, I'm just going to accumulate, to be honest, and that's about it. I mean, we can see right here in the past month, we've just been going up and down. I mean, it literally looks like a stable coin. It seems like we're making really big moves right here, but we're really not. I mean, 99 cents, $1, and so on. We haven't been really moved or gone out of that region in quite some time. And we can see right here, guys, I mean, ever since we peaked all the way at $1.61 in the last bear market, or at the bottom, essentially, currently in the bear market as well, we've just been going sideways between 1.4 to 98 cents, 95 cents, and it's been very, very boring. Now, before I get into a whole KDA technical analysis, I do want to have a look at Bitcoin, because we know, guys, Bitcoin is king, Bitcoin's the leader. There's no question about that. The whole market right now is currently dumping because the one and only BTC. So having a look at Bitcoin, before we get into this bearish divergence right here that I pointed out, I do want to have a look at these exponential moving average. We know right here, ever since we broke above these EMA ribbons, we've been pretty bullish, right? We've been trending to the upside, except for this area right here. This was a fake out, and we know when we break out of the EMA ribbons, we usually have a breakout, comeback, retest, and then breakout again. Of course, these EMA ribbons were really tight, therefore we essentially fell through, so it was obviously a fake pump. But right now, these EMA ribbons right here are pretty spread out. They're wide and they're very strong. The wider they are, the stronger they are. The tighter they are, the weaker they are. So right here, they were pretty tight, and guess what? We got weak. We were consolidating, boom, fell through. And that's exactly what's happening right now. Right now, we're retesting right here at $29,000. Now, I would be bearish once we close on the daily time frame, guys. Hear that, close on the daily time frame. I would be bearish if we close below 26,872 on Bitcoin. Now, of course, if that happens, we're most likely going to see KDA fall through to maybe 90 cents, way below $1. Of course, we do have a resistance right here as well, as you guys can see, sitting at 28,500. So I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin actually comes back and actually make a nice little pop up to the upside. Okay, this is a very strong resistance right here. I know we've been consolidating around this area right here, and this resistance actually flipped into a support now. So we're gonna have to see if Bitcoin can come back and retest this area right here. If we have a look at a hidden bearish divergence, or the bearish divergence that I was talking about at the beginning of the video, we can see that a bearish divergence is obviously bad. It's bearish, right? And a bearish divergence is essentially when you have an increase on the chart and a decrease on the RSI. That is exactly what is happening right here. We could take this away, we could take this away, it's not relevant anymore, but we can see right here that a bearish divergence, usually we come back down and essentially crash pretty aggressively. Like we could see right here on the RSI, every time we are above 70, we essentially have massive strong correction. So right here we're at 70, guess what happened? Crashed. Another time 70, guess what happened? Correction. So we know every time we are on the RSI above 70, investors are going to be looking to sell, and every time we are below 30 or at the 30 region, investors are going to be looking to buy. So right here on March 11th, we were essentially oversold. Guess what happened? Boom, investors decided to take advantage of that, but we exploded 42% a couple days after that. On Bitcoin, couple days, 42%. So that's obviously very big. Now, if we have a look at KDA, we can see that yesterday I made a tweet saying that a massive breakout is coming. Okay, now of course Bitcoin accelerated everything. I was hoping that the breakout would be end of today to tomorrow, early tomorrow, maybe afternoonish. And we can see right here we were a few hours short, and guess what happened? We essentially broke out today because of Bitcoin. Now, we were in an uptrend. Okay, we were in an uptrend on the 4-hour time frame. We were also on a downtrend, creating that horizontal triangle. Now, what happened with KDA? Well, we broke out on the 4-hour time frame. Now we have 1 hour and 11 minutes to essentially climb back up and reclose above the triangle, because if we do that, we could be bullish again. But another thing that I want to talk about is obviously this $1 psychological level. We know that $1 is a very important level for KDA. There's a lot of accumulators like me. I had a limit order for $2,000, 2,000 KDA at exactly $1, so 100 exactly. And this is exactly what I wanted. We know we have a resistance right here, support right here, support right here, another one right here, and another one right right here, which we essentially retested right now today, as you guys can see right here. So overall, this thing is looking okay for Kadena. I mean, I'm just gonna keep accumulating. In the meanwhile, we can see right here that the volume is up 60% in the past 24 hours, which is good. That means the bulls are coming back and defending that $2,000, that $1, sorry, area. I'm one of them. I bought 2,000 KDA, of course, not nearly close to the $10 million worth of volume, but we can see right here that the bulls are coming up and defending. The market cap is $228 million. Circulating supply, 227 million, traded at $1.01, 296,000 people on the watch list, guys. Make sure you hit that star if you haven't. Let's bring the KDA community all the way up to 300,000 people on the watch list. Let's go. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video.